Hey, millionaires and heirs and our little diamonds. So, a lot more people had questions about FAMBASE. So, I went to the in website, which is fanbase.com/in, and it tells us a little bit more. It's got use cases, features, and facts. So let's sit down and talk about this alternative, right? So if you're looking for a private social media outlet, messaging service, going live, streaming live to a specific audience, or you want to teach private classes and you want everything to be mobile, Fanbase is where you can go. You can use this for family, you can use it for school, you can use it for whatever. This is the website that they use for the wait list, right? So it tells you to build a close community of people who love your work and you. So I was able to find this and I was like, thank God, because it explains a lot more what you can do. So if you are a musician, a spoken word artist, comedian, writer, dancer, podcaster, fitness instructor, motivational speaker, financial analyst, designer, whatever, you could do all of this stuff. You can send messages, you can go live, you can interact with your audience. Did we miss out on you? Tell us what kind of creator you are. And then, if you're a teacher, whatever, they want to know about it, right? Why Fanbase? Well, built by creators for creators. Fanbase is from the team at TTT, one of India's largest storytelling companies. Some of the country's top creators trust us. Why? Because just like them, we create too. So they tell you a little bit about, who they are. On your fan base, no restrictions, no algorithms. What you create on fan base goes to all your subscribers. Okay, so whoever joins your fan base, everybody gets your stuff. It doesn't pick and choose. Like everyone who signs up for your fan base gets everything that you make. Everything. So nobody is left out. You get direct access to fans that matter the most. So it could, again, because it's going to ask you, it could be family, it could be friends, it could be your supporters, your class, whoever it is, whatever you're doing, this is going to go out to them. So what you make makes you money, right? Your people are able to gift you. So don't rely on ads, sponsorships, and brands. Your content can now make regular money through subscriptions, workshops, events, and more. They don't even discriminate if you use your Cash App, and you get to keep 100%. Okay, you get to keep 100%. So it's not like other social media outlets that's going to take a percentage of your money. Whatever you give that creator, whatever you give the person that you're supporting, they get to keep it, right? So tap, create, and post. Easily create content across formats like text, audio, video, and image, or simply share a thought, a link, a quote, anything. So whatever you put out there, everybody's going to get it because there's no algorithm. Everybody is treated the same. Your fam has got mail. You create and we deliver it directly into your subscribers' inbox, okay? So no, click the link to access the full piece. They get the entire piece on their email or on their Fanbase website. So whichever one, in the website, of course, is on your tablet or your phone, smart watch, or whatever you're using. You're in full control. So get analytics, expert subscriber details, create subscription plans, access crafts and notifications, all in one dashboard that helps you learn more to create better. We've passed all the screen tests, so everything works. I actually have my first subscriber, and so I was able to test a lot of this stuff out, and I can't wait to more people subscribe so I can test it out and I can tell people how it works, and in full detail, you know what I mean? And so you build your community, and everything works just like you're used to in social media, but it's just so much better. So, what FAMBASE is, we just, went over that, who they are, who it's for. It's for creators. It's for everybody. So no matter what you do, you could do it in FAMBASE. How is FAMBASE different from social media? One of the things that I noticed about FAMBASE is if like say for instance they sign up for your podcast or they sign up for whatever, because you can have more than one group, right? So if they sign up for this and they subscribe, like if they don't pay whatever it is, you set your own price, they can instantly get deleted and they would have to re-sign up unless it's free, but that's totally up to you. So it tells you that you can also create special plans, one-off payment plans to sell tickets for events, workshops, sessions, merchandise. You can start with a default free plan and create a paid plan in 5 simple steps. We'll handle the payment figurations. It's so easy for your subscribers to pay as per their convenience. They can choose a monthly or a yearly subscription or pay one time for 1, 3, and 12 months, whatever, they want to do. So, and if they sign up for it, and like I said, they don't pay it, you have the option to say, well, no, because everybody else is paying it, so they have to pay it too. It's all up to you because it's your fan base, right? So it's always free, okay? It's always free for you to create content and engage with your audience for free. There's no charge on that. There's just a tiny commission fee that we charge during the payouts, and that is your subscription. So if somebody gifts you and they don't subscribe to anything, it's totally 100% yours. But if you set up subscriptions and people start subscribing for your podcast or for the free art, well, not free, but say for instance you give digital art, or say for instance you sell poetry or whatever it is, and because these subscribers are paying $1.99 a month or $2.99 a month, that's what they're talking about, the commission fee, right? So it's so we can keep the platform and our servers running and build exciting new features and put smiles on the faces of teams, because they have ads and all kinds of stuff. Like this company has set this up so right that our like if you just want everything for free, like you're doing this for free and you want all of your subscribers to be for free, they will never bother you and say give me some money. Like it's never going to be that, right? So when will FAMBASE be live? They're already live. They're live right now. So if you want to try it, if you want to be my friend, my subscriber, my supporter, or whatever, I would love to have you. I would love to have you on my fan base. And it's a little B. It's a little B. Let me see if I can pull it up so you'll know what to look. So you know what to look for. It's a little. There it is, right there. It's a little B. And I am Team Android, okay? So this is what the little B looks like. And I would love to have you. All you have to do is click the link in my description box. It's my link tree. And literally, if you click on that link, click on my link tree. As a matter of fact, I'll just show you. So I'm going to go into my link tree and I'm going to log in. I don't know why y'all always do this to me. Just log in. Just log in. All right. Let's get in here. And I'll show you. So here's my link tree. All of my links are all in here. I am going to click share. And then I am going to open up my link tree. So from your phone or your tablet or whatever, you should see this. You can go ahead and scooch that on down. And my private millionaires chat. And you click on that, and there is my fan base. The invitation will expire never because I'm gonna Yeah, I always put up like a new invitation, or whatever, but it never goes away. Mine doesn't go away, so the invitation will expire never. So you can literally click on download, and you can download FAMBASE, and it's simply that easy. It's literally that easy. A lot of people was complaining about Gilded, and I don't know. This was like a godsend. Like, this was amazing for me to find. I didn't think I was going to be able to find anything else to take over Gilded. And I'm going to leave the Gilded up there because there are some features on Gilded that we don't have on FAMBASE yet. But I feel like it is going to blow up. And as a matter of fact, I may go ahead and change this to FAMBASE Millionaires Chat instead of private. Let me do that. Let me do that right now, because I want to make it easy for you guys to get into. I want you guys to, and it's not FAMBASE, it's FAM, F-A-M, it's in family, B-A-S-E, base is in like baseball. So FAMBASE Millionaires Chat. That's what we got going on. And then we're gonna click over here. I'm gonna open my link tree. We're gonna go down, and there you go. FAMBASE Millionaires Chat. And when you click on it, you'll be able to download, boom, and go straight into FAMBASE live and group chat. And there it is. And this right here says Apple, but of course I don't have an iPhone, I have Android. So it is for Apple and it is for Android, whichever one you have. So I hope that this helped, because like I said, a lot of people had questions, and I wanted to make sure that you understood what this was as opposed to Gilded. Now, to me, Gilded is easy. To me, Gilded, Gilded killed it. Gilded is an alternative to, what is that thing? Discord. It is an alternative to Discord, right? And every time I get a video, this is what I use it for. It automatically uploads all of my videos. So every time a video uploads from me, like I just had a video upload at 5:30, and it's now 5:44, so almost 15 minutes ago. My new YouTube studio setup uploaded, and so people can get notified on Gilded just in case they miss their YouTube notification, and it goes directly into your Gilded. It doesn't go into your email. It doesn't, you don't get a text. It literally uploads to your Gilded. So you have to have Gilded on your phone in order to get the little ding, the little notification. You have to have your notification set. So a lot of people will join Gilded, and after a few days they'll delete the app. If you do that, you still have a Gilded account. You just won't get the notifications. You can't talk to anybody unless you go on your laptop. So, and that's fine if you just want Gilded on your laptop. That they have a download, and then also they have beta. So this right here, I don't even have to have the download. I could just go to gilded.gg on my laptop. But if you want the app, and you take the app with you everywhere, everywhere your phone goes, right? But it's easy to me. But of course I'm online, more than the average person, because this is, what I do every day. But if this is not, something that you're interested in, and it's hard for you, and you had a hard time getting into Gilded, I would say FAMBASE is for you. And it is so easy to get into. I mean, that's all you do, and then you go to your FAMBASE and get in there. Like you just sign up with your email address or your phone, and like it said, it's going to give you your email address. It's going to give you an option for your phone number, and when you I don't know why do you keep going to Apple? We don't use Apple, we use Android. It keeps doing Apple. Well, it doesn't matter because if you have Android, same rules apply. But anyway, this is what it looks like. It's a B and it's FAMBASE, not fame. Fam. There's also another site called FANBASE. It is completely different, and I want to pull that up because a lot of people have been getting it mixed up and getting confused. This is FANBASE. I'm not looking for fans. I don't want to do a fan base account or whatever. I had one a long time ago, and for me it just didn't work because I'm not a dancer. I do sing, but I'm not going to be doing any singing on here. I would prefer to do that privately. And so FAMBASE, I'm planning on using it for a couple of different things. We have some ministry things that we want to do, and stuff that, I just, it's like an intimate, type of thing or whatever. FANBASE is purple and completely different from FAMBASE. So if you want to be a part of my digital family, my internet universe, then go to my link tree, click the link in my bio, and click on my FANBASE and become a family member. So I love you guys so much. I hope that this was an educational editorial for you. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments and let me know, and I'll be sure to answer as best I can. All right, peace and love.